Welcome back to another dish at Kimberly's Kitchen. In this episode, I will be making pineapple fried rice. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. Fresh pineapples, preferably, but if not, you can use pineapple cans. Okay, you would also need to use fresh shrimps. Again, pre-blanched shrimps will be fine as well. So let's start here. You're gonna need spring onions, minced garlic, onions, cashew nuts. I have also raisins. Of course, pre-blanched shrimps I have already. Some ham in the back. This is some carrots chopped up and eggs, of course. And of course, most importantly, the leftover fried rice from overnight. Going back here, you have the seasoning. You will need the curry powder, soy sauce, MSG. If not, sugar is fine for substitute. And of course, oil for frying. And this is my pineapple that I use, cut in half, scrape off the flesh and cut it in chunks. So let's cook. So I'm going to heat up my wok here with oil. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the oil temperature up to about 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot, go ahead and crack your eggs in. I'm going to fry the eggs first. Now, once the egg looks just about to cook, go ahead and break it apart. And once it thoroughly cooked, what you want to do is break that egg apart. Now I'm adding in the garlic, the minced garlic. And just want to give that a quick stir, followed by the onions. Now I'm using red onion here, but you are welcome to use shallots or yellow onion. I just happens to have red onions at home. This is my chopped carrots that I just tossed in. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the hams in. Give it a quick stir to incorporate all the ingredients and toss in the shrimps. Again, you feel free to use fresh peeled shrimps. I just happen to pre-blanch my shrimp to save time. So go ahead and give that a good stir. Now that everything's incorporated, toss in the overnight rice that you have left over. It's important that the rice was refrigerated. You don't want to use fresh rice because you don't want your fried rice to be too wet and moist. I'm going to sprinkle in some curry powder and soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce here. Going back to the curry powder, it really varies. If you like curry and the flavor of curry, by all means add more curry powder. Everyone's different and have different preference, so feel free to add more curry powder if you want. Okay, so this is MSG. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of MSG into my rice. Give that a good stir. And now the raisins go in, followed by my fresh chunky pineapple. Okay, so that looks really good and it smells so good. Okay, now the cashew nut's gonna go in almost towards the end because you want a good crunchy bite to your fried rice. If you put it in too soon, then the cashew nut's gonna be soggy. Like all fried rice, you must have the spring onions, so add some in. And now you have this beautiful yet delicious pineapple fried rice. Isn't that gorgeous? And it smells so good too. Look at that. It's so balanced and vibrant in color. I'm going to serve it in a pineapple bowl, and dinner is now served. Enjoy!